This is the tallest tree in England. It's 63 metres tall. It's the same as stacking 10 double-decker buses on top of each other. This tree is so big, it makes enough oxygen for 5 people just standing there. It's called a Douglas fir. They can live for over 1,000 years. This one's 150 years old and can be found here in Exmoor National Park. Today, I'm joining the pupils from Dunster First Primary School who are learning all about it. What kind of stuff have you been doing today?
Activities like about the forest and how it grows, and we've been measuring like these really cool trees as well.
You can measure trees different ways. You can measure it with a stick.
You heard that right. We've been learning how you can estimate the height of the tree. One method is the stick trick. You find a stick as long as your arm, hold it straight up at arm's length, lining the bottom of the stick with the bottom of the tree. Move until the top of the stick lines up with the tree top, and then stop and mark the spot. Count your biggest steps from there to the base of the tree. Each big step is about 1 metre, so whatever number you get is roughly the height of the tree. What's it like seeing the tallest tree in England?
Amazing, because literally I've never seen a tree like that big.
Seeing the tallest tree in England is very cool.
The trail where these trees grow is called the Tall Trees Trail and was originally planted like a giant outdoor tree museum. It's called an arboretum. The trail has just been revamped so that the paths are more accessible for those wanting to see England's tallest tree and the other giants here, including the tallest storm redwood and the tallest magnolia.
This is in a really special place, so it's in a valley and it's warm and it's wet. So the rainwater comes all the way down and it feeds the nutrition in the soil, which makes the trees grow taller here much quicker.
With more than 1 in 3 tree species worldwide facing extinction, it's why places like this are so important. And the team here are constantly monitoring the forest to make sure the trees are healthy.
If there are any trees with diseases, then we check all the trees around them, and then we might treat those trees for diseases or perhaps fell those trees so that we remove any risk of that disease spreading.
Why do trees mean so much to you?
Trees are really important for our life because they breathe out oxygen, which helps us breathe. I just like them being there for me because sometimes I like reading books in the woods and I like leaning on them, like part of my heart basically.